Hey folks, my name is Priya. Welcome back to Home Crux. Today we are going to make some fabric pumpkins for fall and Halloween decorations. So, let's get started. I have two round cloth cutouts. One is felt and one is cotton. Now we will sprinkle milk and thread on the edges of the circle. You can see that it creates a bend here when I pull the thread. Our aim is to create a bowl shape and fill it with cotton and then stick some stumps on it to make a pumpkin shape. As you can see, it has created a nice bowl shape or a bag shape. Now we are going to fill it with some cotton. Once the cotton is inside, pull on the thread to close it up. You can flip the pumpkin wherever the shape feels off to make it nice and round. Now pull on the thread and close it up. Once the pumpkin is ready, it's time to glue the stump. Pick your hot glue. Pour a generous amount on the top. And add your stump. Now repeat the same process with your felt fabric. are your felt and fabric pumpkins. Now decorate your home with them as you want.